High temperatures to low temperatures all in the same day make it hard on roofing materials in Southwest Florida. The Cummins Court roof shown in this video was re-roofed with 3-inch ISO board and 60 Mil Mule-Hide thermoplastic polyolefin, or TPO roofing, backed by a premium 20-year NDL warranty. Thermoplastic single-ply roofing membranes are made of various types of synthetic polymers that can be softened by an increase in temperature and will re-harden when the temperature decreases. A thermoplastic single-ply membrane can be re-softened or melted and then cooled again without destroying its original properties. TPO over the 3-inch ISO board added extra are value to the building, elevating some of the heavy energy burden Florida commercial building owners endure. TPO single-ply roofing membranes are among the fastest growing commercial roofing products and have gained praise across the industry for their many performance and installation advantages. As demand increases for heat-reflective and energy-efficient roofing systems, you can rely on TPO single-ply roofing membranes to continue to provide resistance to ultraviolet, ozone, and chemical exposure. Standard TPO is polyester-reinforced and used in mechanically attached and fully adhered roofing systems in new construction, reroofing, and recover or retrofit applications. High breaking strength, tearing strength, and puncture resistance is achieved by encapsulating a strong polyester fabric between the top and bottom plies. If your Southwest Florida home or business requires roof repair or replacement, you now have a sure resource by which you can be confident.